Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can iPhone microphone be repaired? Apple may replace affected phones for free. Apple has responded to a microphone issue affecting some iPhone 7 and 7 Plus units with a new service guide. The document obtained by 9to5Mac also mentions that out warranty devices may still be able to receive a repair or replacement for free. How do I fix the bottom microphone on my iPhone 8? Verify and configure privacy settings for audio apps. To do so, head over to Settings to Privacy to Microphone, then locate the problematic app and enable the app's permission. Restart your iPhone after making the changes, then test to see if that fixes the problem. If not, move on to the next workaround. How much does it cost to get iPhone mic fixed? According to Mac rumors and forum commenters, Apple is beginning to acknowledge the issue by offering to repair affected out-of-warranty devices for free, having previously assessed a $349 repair fee and guided users to purchase new iPhones instead. Why can't the person I call hear me? If you are on a call and suddenly, the person you are talking to can't hear you, then the problem may be caused due to network issue. The microphone on your Android mobile device has openings, and as time goes on, dirt particles can accumulate in the microphone, thereby causing an obstruction. How do you know if your iPhone microphone is broken? To test the microphone at the bottom of your phone, which is also the primary microphone, open Voice Memos and tap the record icon. Record yourself speaking into the microphone, and then play it back. If the microphone isn't working properly, you won't be able to hear your voice clearly.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.